This is a 2003 Yamaha TT-R90. We've had this for quite a long time, several years. We bought it used for about $800 about probably 10 years ago, and it's been a good machine. But as you can see, it's had much better days. It's been beat up and ridden hard and put away wet. So we're going to talk about a few of the things we're going to do to this bike. We're going to first of all fix all these plastics. As you can see here, they're really bubbled up, and just the stickers are all kind of messed up. So we're going to take the plastics off and fix those, and just dress the plastics up a little bit. And I think we're going to go ahead and put, you can see over here on the chain, chain is really old and neglected. You can see the gaps there in the chains, if we can get in there good. And it's, of course, this rust here you see is actually not rust, it's just red dirt from last time we were riding, but you can see there the gaps between. And if you look at the teeth here, they are really wore over. And White, you want to give me a hand? And so the chain actually catches when you move this machine in reverse. So I'm going to have Wyatt help me here. You want to go ahead and just pick it up and just roll backwards. See the catching there. Okay, that's good. So it's catching, and that's because those teeth are slightly rounded over. The thing we're going to do is I'm going to mess with the carburetor a little bit. The idle is way too high from time to time, especially when it warms up. So we need to figure out what's causing that and get that fixed. I think we might be able to just lube that cable. The brake up here has seen better days, so the front brake just needs a little dress up. We might be able to just lube that, or might have to replace it. And I might replace that that brake lever. It's looking pretty hammered. This thing's been dropped 1,000 times. You can see by the condition of these of the grips. And so we're going to replace these grips and get it all taken care of. The last thing we'll probably do is a seat. So I made this seat just out of straight vinyl. I made this seat out of straight vinyl about, I don't know, a year ago. Is that right? 2 years ago?
2.
Yeah.
It was when we were doing it.
And it's been okay, but it doesn't wear the same, so we'll probably have to get a seat cover and recover this seat with a proper seat cover. Other than that, this has been a fantastic machine. It starts on the first kick almost every time. Even right just now, we started it after this thing's sitting all winter long in negative temperatures, and it's only 40 degrees out here right now, and it started up on the first kick with the choke open. So it's a pretty amazing little bike, and so we're gonna refresh it a little bit and get it ready for Wyatt's little brother to start riding it. So